Do you want to work for an industry-leading company that's rapidly expanding and will challenge you in your career? Well, OzShut might be right for you. OzShut Roller Shutters are WA's leading and most awarded roller shutter company with over 100,000 installations completed and are a product review category winner 4 years in a row. We custom make our shutters and install them with our 5-day installation guarantee, all the while providing the best customer service along the way. And that's proven by winning the Outstanding Customer Service for the 4th year in a row on product review. No matter what position you're looking to join us in, whether it's customer service, sales, production, or after-sales service and repair, be the best that you can be with the winners here at OzShut. We're looking for people who are positive, results-driven, reliable, and have a great attitude to work. In return, we offer great pay, regular training and development, employee rewards, and management pathways, as well as overtime and bonuses for our top performers. So if working with the market leader from our Modern Malaga office sounds right to you, apply now.